flower arrangement can be pretty, lovely, or beautiful, but I think flowers can be much more. It can be thoughtful, riveting, profound, a great story, an artful statement. It can be sharing an experience or a life lesson. I think this kind of designing requires a deeper creative process to make visual exactly what you want to say. This month's Creative Edge series is titled Polyculturalism. It explores the culture of colors. I put myself through an intensive polychromatic color exercise to learn to broaden my color palette. Color is a highly subjective element. Color can be love and hate. Color combinations are culturally significant. They identify people. Cool colors, warm colors, tropical colors, Nordic colors. Colors personifies. I wanted to create examples of flower X art, not just floral art. It is a hybrid, a cross-pollination of art and flowers. I wanted to create the art with color tapestry sticks and then flower it to make it come alive. I created Together, Rise, and Believe. Each one designed in Polychromatic Color Harmony, using more colors in one arrangement than I ever imagined I could. In the color exercise, I wanted to free myself from just choosing my favorites. I wanted to create diverse color combinations that exist outside of my usual go-to palettes. I wanted to experience all colors, put them side by side randomly, and/or creating a new sense of order with them. But with many, many, many more colors than I am used to. So I set myself to create my favorite art components that I have been making recently. You may have seen them in my social media posts. I have been spinning colors with yarn over lengths of Middlino extender shorts that I am now calling Color Tapestry Sticks. Many, many pieces with random selection of colors to emulate cultural color usage. Polycultural color combinations. I created these pieces to reflect multicultural personalities. These created the art, the polychromatic color structures. I wanted to experiment freely, to immerse in every color, to let color fall side by side randomly, enjoy what emerged, and allow myself to reimagine color harmony in a new light, accept all, and to enjoy the result and celebrate it. I always chose the safety of the monochromatic or analogous color harmonies. They were my comfort zone. I had never used so many colors in a single design intentionally before. It was definitely a celebration of color. This was my eye-opening, outside-the-box experience. By embracing the existence of all colors and that it was okay to mix them up, I enjoyed being more objective with color. I interacted more freely with the combinations. I practiced polyculturalism by appreciating other cultures than my own. And I loved it. I flower my 3 Flower X art compositions with my absolute favorite flower in the world, Gloriosa Lily. She lifts our spirit with its vivacious color and dynamic form. She is youthful, vocal, full of optimism. She always rises to the occasion. She is not shy, not afraid to bare her soul proudly with confidence. She truly inspires. She represents activism. To read this month's full article, please visit hitomigilliam.com/creativeedge. You'll be able to see the finished designs and read the accompanying article for more insight and for the list of plant material and supplies used to create each of the 3 pieces. Also look for 2 separate tutorial videos from this month's article right here on my YouTube channel. First, a quick tutorial on how I make the color tapestry sticks used in all 3 of this month's designs, coming this Friday, July the 3rd. Then on Sunday the 5th, watch my full start to finish tutorial on how I built and flowered the second design from this month's article. Back again is a limited number of signed 8x10 prints from this month's article, printed on a high-quality 320 GSM photo paper. Each print will be hand-numbered and signed. And please consider supporting my channel by liking this video and subscribing for future content.